Hello and welcome to my video. Today I will show you how to crochet these 4 flowers. Wish you a lot of fun, subscribe to my channel and let's begin. Today I will crochet with cotton yarn, but you can use any yarn. This is Catania from Schachenmeier. We need matching crochet hook. I use 2.5 mm, scissors and sewing needle. We crochet first this little flower. I start with the magic ring and now chain 1, 2 double crochet in the ring and 2, again chain 1, slip stitch in the ring, chain 1 and again 2 double crochet in the ring and 2, chain 1, slip stitch in the ring, chain 1 and 2 double crochet, and this repeats together 5 times. At the end, chain 1, slip stitch in the ring, cut yarn, pull yarn, pull this first yarn and close the ring, and sew both yarn ends on the back side, and the little flower is finished. Now we crochet second flower. It's a little bit bigger like the first flower. I start with the magic ring and crochet chain 2, 3 triple crochet in the ring, one, 2 and 3, chain 2, slip stitch in the ring, again chain 2, 3 triple crochet in the ring, and 3, chain 2, slip stitch in the ring, chain 2, and this repeat 5 times. At the end, chain 2, slip stitch in the ring, cut yarn, pull yarn, and pull this first yarn and close the ring, and sew both yarn ends on the back side, and the flower is finished. Now we crochet this third flower. I start with the magic ring and crochet first round is 10 single crochet in the ring, and 10. Now pull yarn and close the ring and finish round with the slip stitch in this first stitch, second round chain 2, 2 triple crochet in the same stitch, one, and 2 triple crochet in the next stitch, and 2, chain 2, slip stitch in the next stitch, chain 2, and again 2 triple crochet in the same stitch, two triple crochet in the next stitch, chain 2, slip stitch in the next stitch, chain 2, and again 2 triple crochet in the same stitch, 2 triple crochet in the next stitch, repeat 5 times. Last time, chain 2 and slip stitch in this first stitch, cut yarn, pull yarn, and sew both yarn ends on the back side, and it was the flower number 3. Now the last flower, the bigger. I start with the magic ring, and crochet 3 chain stitches. 3. Now in the ring 2 triple crochet, 1 and 2. Now chain 2, 2 and 5 triple crochet in the ring. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Again chain 2 and 5 triple crochet in the ring. We repeat that we have 4 sections with 5 triple crochet. I have 4 sections with 5 triple crochet, 1, 2, 3 and 4. And now last section, chain 2, 2 triple crochet in the ring, 1, 2, and now pull yarn and close the ring, and here in this stitch I crochet 1 slip stitch, and now we have 5 sections. This last section have 4 triple crochet and chain stitches from the beginning. Now second round, chain 1, and in every hole we crochet 9 triple crochet. 1, 2, 9, and now in this middle triple crochet, it's this one, we crochet 1 single crochet, and again 9 triple crochet in the hole, and repeat to the end of round. and last triple crochet, and now in this middle stitch one slip stitch, cut yarn, pull yarn, and now pull yarn on the back side, and sew both yarn ends, and the flower is finished. If you like my video, subscribe to my channel and see you next time.